Nicole, and here we talk about skincare, beauty, and fashion. And if you are new, welcome. And if you are a recurring watcher, thank you for coming back. Today, I finally got my hands on some SKIMS underwear. Kim had her buy... What is it? She had a sale. Why can't I think of the name of her sale? She had her sale around, I think it was Cyber Monday. And I ordered some underwears and I ordered a shirt. So this is gonna be like an unboxing, but it's in a bag, first impression type video. So let's get into it. So normally when I order something from SKIMS, it will come in a bag like this, or a box that says SKIMS on it. Everything is like recyclable, so this is from like recyclable paper or whatever. So let's So Kim has panties, and I think it's 3 for $36. I'm going to show you guys to up this way. 3 for $36, and a lot of them are like neutral colors. So that's really what drew me into buying them, and that it was also on sale. So I think I spent $100 or maybe like $98. I got 6 pairs of panties and a true fit size shirt. So let's unpack the panties. So this is the packaging. It says I am not plastic. You can recycle this. And I got all my panties in a small, because what I have learned is if you buy anything from SKIMS, do not get your regular size. Always size down because it's made big. So these are, what are these? These are the Fit Everybody Cheeky, I think. Yeah, Cheeky Briefs. So these are the Fit Everybody Cheeky Briefs. I really wish you guys can like touch this material. It feels so good. It's like thin but not really thin. It's giving like 100% stretch. Look at that. And then it has like the little padding inside from where you put your panty liner in. This is very cute. I do like a lot of her panties are like close to your skin tone. I really bought them for like the sculpting, so I can't wait to try them on and see how like they really do like sculpt your body. But look at the stretch. So I bought a size small. Normally if I'm getting like panties from like Fenty or Victoria's Secret, I'll get like a medium, but I've bought stuff from them before and I didn't want to chance the panties being too big, so I bought a small. So that's that one. Okay, these are boy shorts. I'm normally not a boy short girl because I feel like they be giving me wedgies. So I don't really be buying them, but her boy shorts wasn't really like looking like boy shorts, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know. These are just like cute. Like they low-key give me like grandma panty vibes, but I think it's because like they're high-waisted boy shorts, but it's like full coverage in the back, and then like you get like a little bit of like, you know, outness around like your inner thigh. So I really can't wait to try these on because like they're kind of high-waisted and it's supposed to like sculpt your hips. Yeah, so let's see. So I got those. I think I got 3 pairs of boy shorts and then cheekies. So here's the pair of cheekies in the other color. This is the color Cocoa. So these are so cute. I just like this stretch. is what got me. The stretch. Everything is stretchy. Like, I can say, like, Kim and Rihanna, when it comes to like this lingerie and underwear and panty shit, like, they got that shit down pat. I do not buy panties from Victoria's Secret anymore. Like, that was like my past life. Like, high school, everybody was wearing Victoria's Secret 5 for $25, pink hoodies, pink sweatshirts, pink book bags, pink sweatsuit. Like, that was the shit back in the day. But now, you're not catching me in Victoria's Secret unless I'm like going to go get something for like my nieces or my sisters or something. Like, for me, my to-go is Fenty, and then my next to-go to is going to be Kim when she have her sale. So this is another pair of boy shorts in the color of umber. Umber, U-M-B-E-R, umber. Let's ask Siri. Yeah, listen. Hold on, let me turn it up. Umber. Okay, umber. So in the color umber, whatever that is, another pair of boy shorts, and then this is well, she calls them cheeky briefs. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, wait, no. Those are boy shorts. These are cheeky briefs. So these are briefs, and the little cheeks be out on the side. So this is under her considered medium coverage, when the boy shorts are full coverage. These are full coverage. And then I have another pair of boy shorts, and this is the color Oxidine. So Oxidine. I like this. I see what Kim did, right? She gave you like all these different types of neutral colors. So you got this one, and then you got this one, like different types of browns and tans and stuff. The one that really fits my complexion the most is the cocoa one. You know, I'm a little cocoa. Oh wait, no, it doesn't. It's a little darker. But I like this. I like this color the most. Maybe it's like the umber. Is this umber? Nope, Oxidine. Maybe Oxidine. Maybe. But I really like all the neutrals, and I think like the older I get, the less I care about the color, like having color underwear, or like underwear that have like designs on them, or like underwear that says like, that's like Christmas themed. Like, the older I get, the less I care about that stuff. I just be wanting like a good pair of panties. I'm not gonna feel like it's cutting into my skin, and I feel like these are not going to like cutting into my skin at all. It's stretch, you know. I don't know if anybody ever experienced this, and if you have, please comment below. But like, when I buy underwear and I try it and I wear them when I'm like on my period and I'm bloated, they just fit differently, because like I gain a few pounds and I'm bloated and it just don't feel comfortable. So like sometimes I end up buying like underwear from Marshalls a size up, just to have, so when like my period comes on or whatever. Also with jeans, like I had to stop buying jeans when I was on my period, because like the jeans would fit so well, my ass would be sitting, like everything would just look good. And then when I wear them with my period off, it's like I got so much room around my waist, like it's not really tugging onto my butt how I wanted it. It was just becoming a lot. Like, the older you get, the more you start to notice like, this shit ain't working how it's supposed to work. So I got another pair of boy shorts in the color umber. That was a mistake. I probably meant to buy a different color. She actually has like, excuse me, a line that's just dedicated to like skin tone type colors, and that's what really drew my attention. Then the famous shirt that everybody keep talking about, like my little sister just be like, she has this shirt and she loves it so much. I'm like, I need to see what this shirt is talking about. So this is the everybody short sleeve t-shirt, and I got it in I got this in a small. See the shirt, and I just needed to see what the hype was about. So like the shirt is like it's stretchy and stuff. I just wanted to like see what it looked like, what it was hitting for, and it was on sale because I think this shirt like $48 or maybe $58. It's one or the other or the regular. So I wanted to see what the shirt was hitting for. So let's go try it on. I'll be back.
Okay guys, I definitely understand the hype now. The shirt is super cute and it's super smooth and it hugs you in all the right places in such a good way. It literally feels like butter. Definitely true to size. If you want a more fitted style, get your actual size. But if you want something where you have like a little bit of room, size up. Is super stretchy, really stretchy, and I'm gonna have to buy it in every color because I am in love. Go get one, guys. You won't be disappointed.
So that is all I have for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every last one of my followers, the ones that been sticking through with my inconsistent posting. I promise I'm going to get better. It's a challenge. And all the newcomers, thank you. Welcome to the team. Y'all all my friends now. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Please comment any content you guys want to see, anything you want to get to know about me, or anything you want me to try out before buying. Just hit a girl up and let me know. But this shirt is just like, ugh. I can't wait to wear the shirt, y'all. But until next time, I'm out. Peace.